So lastly, let us all join together. Let us march in lockstep, whether you have a walking chair or a wheelchair, whatever you have, whether you have a loud voice or a quiet voice, whatever you have, whether you can paint or draw or sing or speak, each and every one of you has something to do here on this planet whilst we're here. Each and every one of you has something that you can add, something that you can give, and you're not doing yourself justice. You're not doing your community justice until you get out on these streets, until you take it into your workplace, your house, your home, and everywhere, and let people know that freedom will ring one day for all human beings. So free Palestine until it's backwards, until Palestine is free, until a Hind Rajab can walk around without threat of being shot down, without somebody like Mazouda being attacked and killed. We will never stop. It will never end until Palestine is free, until all of us are free, until all of humanity is free. That is the mission. Never forget it. Thank you.